When an exhibit stops working, visitors feel it immediately, sometimes before we do. It affects learning, curiosity, and overall experience of our guests. Knowing what is happening across many exhibits is challenging. We asked, how can we spot issues much earlier, before visitors are actually affected?
At GroundUp AI, we are able to monitor equipment and detect early signs of abnormal behavior. Our platform can identify the root cause of the failure and teach staff how to fix it. This technology works best where guest experience depends on reliable equipment.
Instead of reacting to breakdowns, teams can respond way earlier. So our visitors' sense of wonder is never interrupted. When technology works quietly in the background, we can focus on what really matters to our visitors.